Thank you for calling Harry's Locksmith. This is Aaron Manchester. And where would that be delivered to?
You having fun so far?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you pick a lock?
Yeah.
Cool.
I picked the lock and there'd be key to lock.
Ooh, okay, check it out.
Hi, I'm Dennis Werbowski, and it's Bring Your Child to Work Day here at Harry's. I would like to introduce my son Pat and my son Mike. Remember, boys, like I told you earlier, be respectful and stay out of everybody's way. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Hey, let's take your kid to work day. And I'm bringing my kid Becca. Be nice and respectful.